Okay, today we're looking at a 2011 Nissan Murano SL. It's an all-wheel drive. It's got 84,000 miles on it. All right, ebony in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you here. We'll start on the driver's side. All right, it's got the nice chrome door handles. Got your lock/unlock button here. Roof rack up above. It's got two sunroofs. And we'll show you that from the inside in just a second. Driver's side of the vehicle's in good shape. Does have the rear backup camera. Alright, and it is an all-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side. It's got the lock/unlock button here on the door handle as well. But everything's really nice on this 2011 Murano. Exterior's in good shape. 84,000 miles on it. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels. Memory seating. Alright, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have the heated steering wheel, power hatch or lift gate. All right, it's got the power rear seats as well. Okay, black leather seating, power driver's seat, got the perforated inserts. Driver's seat's in good shape. All right, does have the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good. Go ahead and pan out a little bit and show you the dual sunroofs. Okay, it is an automatic. All right, it's got your heated seats here. Got your all-wheel drive lock there. Dual climate controls. All right, got your CD player. You got your touchscreen display here. Okay, with the push button start, navigation, backup camera, all that. And we'll show you that in a second when we get it started. All right, it does have Bose audio. Got your leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 84,131 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and give you a shot of the navigation. All right, backup camera. Okay. And then once again, got your CD player here. Okay, AM, FM, dual climate controls. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, and then once again, your push button start. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet back here is in good shape, no stains on it. All right, let me go ahead and walk around real quick. I'm going to open up that passenger side door over there so you can really see what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. Now that lightens it up a good bit. Back seat leather's in awesome shape, no problem back here. Okay, it's got the center console that comes down. All right, got your cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a view of the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, carpet back here is in good shape. Plenty of room back here. All right, got some more storage underneath there. Okay. Oh, excuse me. And underneath that, we have your spare tire. All right, and then what I like about these Muranos, got the handle here. The handle here, you simply pull that handle, seats go down. Pull the handle, seats go down. All right. And then you got the button that you push, brings them right back up. All right. Same thing over here, got the button you push, comes right back up. All right, love that feature about the Muranos. Okay, and it's got the power lift gate. Simply press that button there. Nice and smooth coming down. All right, let's check out the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see, 18-inch alloys. All right, tires are still in good shape. All right, once again, it's a 2011 Nissan Murano SL. It's an all-wheel drive. It's got 84,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.